Imagine trying to lift a car with your bare hands. Impossible, right? But with a long metal pole and a rock, you could do it with one hand. This is the magic of simple machines. We aren't the strongest animals, but we are smart. We invented tools that multiply our force by making a simple trade-off: distance for power. This trade is called mechanical advantage. Think about getting a heavy box onto a truck. You could lift it straight up. That's a short distance, but very hard work. Or you could push it up a long, gentle ramp. That's a long distance, but much easier work. The total energy you spend is the same because work equals force times distance. You're just spreading the effort out. The most famous simple machine is the lever. It's just a stiff bar and a pivot point called a fulcrum, like a seesaw. By moving the fulcrum closer to the heavy load, you can lift massive weights with a tiny push. An inclined plane or a ramp does the same thing, making it easier to walk up a hill than climb a cliff. And then there are pulleys. A single pulley just changes the direction of your pole, but add a second one and you suddenly split the weight in half. You have to pull twice as much rope, but the load feels half as heavy. Even a screw is just an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder, turning a simple twist into a massive piercing force. These ancient tools are everywhere. A bicycle is full of them: levers for the brakes, pulleys and gears for the chain. All complex machines are just combinations of these simple ideas. From a doorknob to a pair of scissors, you use them every day. It's what led the ancient scientist Archimedes to claim that if he had a lever long enough, he could move the entire Earth.